Hi everyone, today we'll be discussing the impact of social media on mental health. Social media has become an undeniable part of our lives, but it's important to be aware of how it can affect our well-being.
The article we look at talks about the addictive nature of social media and how it can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. It highlights that constantly comparing ourselves to other online can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. Additionally, the pressure to maintain a perfect online persona can be mentally draining.
However, social media is not all bad. It can be a great tool for connecting with friends and family, sharing experience and staying informed about current events.
Here's tips for healthy social media use. The article also provides some tips for healthy social media use, such as number 1, setting limits on usage. Decide how much time you want to spend on social media each day and stick to it. And number 2, be mindful of the content you consume. Pay attention to how social media makes you feel. If you find yourself feeling negative after using social media, take a break. And lastly, curate your feed. Unfollow accounts that make you feel bad about yourself or that you're constantly negative. Focus on real-life connections. Don't let social media replace face-to-face interaction with friends and family.
Social media can be a powerful tool, but it's important to use it mindfully. By following the tips mentioned earlier, we can minimize the negative impacts of social media and maximize its positive effects.
Let's discuss in the comments how you manage your social media usage and what tips you would recommend for healthy social media habits.